Hello and welcome to the Goneedle channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the basics of Silhouette Studio. So these are the options that you can get in the beginner free package. So to start, you have the line tool right here on the left. There are multiple options in the line tool. We can start with the simple line. What this does is simply you can make a line here and then you can add another line, give yourself more lines. It's really simple. That's the line tool. And now if you go back here, there's the next tool, which is the polygon tool. Now this is really simple. This is basically the line tool. However, each segment automatically connects. So if you tap, you can move, click again, and it'll make a point. Click again, make another point. Click again, make another point, and you can connect it. And there you go. You made yourself a polygon. Now the next item is the curve shape. This is similar to a polygon. However, once you click and click again, you can curve the line that you've made. You can curve it in any direction. Simply go like that. You can tap to curve again and again and again and connect it. There you go. You have a round or curved polygon. Now the next tool is flexi shapes. This one simply is by adding a line and then making an arc right here. So as you can see, there's the 45-degree angle and two straight lines that you can connect with a curved line. Now you can simply delete all of these and go to the next option, which is the drawing tools. So there are multiple options here, as you can see. The first one is simply drawing a rectangle. You can do a rectangle or you can draw a square by holding shift. And that's pretty simple. You have square, rectangle, any other shape you'd like to make. And the next tool is the curved rectangle or rounded rectangle. What this does is simply the exact same as these items. However, you have them with curved edges. As you can see here, the edges are curved. So if you want to make a curved edge square, you can tap, hold shift, and drag it out. That will give you a curved edge square. Make any shape with this, and they'll all have curved edges. Now the next tool here is the drawing tool, or freehand tools. So we can start with the first item, which is simply tapping and drawing any shape you'd like. You can connect it, and there you go. This is the simple freehand tool. Or if you like, you can make it more smooth with the smooth freehand tool. What this does is as you draw, it'll make points to make the items curved. Make it a little bit more smooth. Now, if you go up, you can see the edit points tool. So if you tap that, and you can see here that this round or curved freehand circle that you made has multiple points that you can adjust. You can tap on each gray square here, which is an anchor point, and move them around however you like. What you can also do is click here, and as you can see, there's these two lines with a blue square coming out of it. What this can do is curve the point that you tap. As you can also do is you can hit Alt and curve, or sorry, you can hit Shift and curve just one side. No, you cannot. That is fine. And if you tap on this one, as you can see, there are so many different squares. That's because it's a freehand tool and each anchor point is singular. Now the next item is the text tool. This is really simple. All you have to do is grab on the text tool, tap anywhere you'd like, and you can simply type anything in here. You can also change the font at the top, as well as the font size, You can make it bold, italicized, you can give it an underline, multiple different options you can choose in the text panel. And those are the basics in using Silhouette Studio. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like more videos on Silhouette Studio or even Cricut Design Space.